from the Hush Beauty eyeshadow palette. It's a matte eyeshadow. When you're doing a cut crease, I'll advise you to get a matte eyeshadow, something darker, that when you're cutting the crease, it shows the difference between the eyeshadow and the main eyeshadow you're going to be using when you're cutting it with the eye primer. So as you can see, I'm using a darker shade on the line of her crease. So I'll be using a lighter shade to blend the upper part of the brows. Can you see? I'm using a peach, a light pink eyeshadow to blend it out. And also I'll be going in with a little bit of her powder shade to give it the natural and the well blended look we want. Can you see from the lower part of the crease, the eyeshadow is a bit darker, but upwards it's a bit lighter. So cutting the crease of someone who has a small eyelid, her lids are tiny, so I'm just going above her main crease, just a little bit higher, tracing out her eyeballs. I'll be cutting it, and you make sure when you're cutting with your primer or your concealer, you make sure you're getting a very straight and sharp line, because that's the difference between the cut crease and the normal crease. So you're cutting it, and when cutting, you make sure it's straight and sharp, that's clean. So as you can see, I've already cut the crease. I'm just tracing that out and blending it out. I'll be applying the primer all over her lids now where I've cut. Now applying my main eyeshadow, I'll be using this light pink shimmery shadow from my Whatever Forever palette. I'll be applying that. I am just being careful, I don't want to go above the line. That's why we cut the crease. We want our eyeshadow to stay within where we've already traced the primer out from. So as you can see, I'm just applying the eyeshadow. It's a shimmery shadow. I'll be going over it with a light pigment too to make the eyes pop. sea almond and the golden caramel, just to give us the golden undertone we are yearning for. So I'm just using my beauty blender to blend out the foundation, covering all the flaws and all. So moving on, I'll be using this concealer in honey from the Ezekiel Cosmetics. I do this like this because the concealer gets dry easily, so I'll apply one on the part of her eyes, then I'll do the other one after blending this one. So that's how I control this concealer, because it gets dry, and if you're not very fast, you can. So I'll be going over the setting powder with my her shade of powder from my Ezekiel Cosmetics palette. I'll be applying that on top of the setting powder using my Avour bronzer now. So using the Avour bronzer, I'm just applying that on her cheekbones, tip of the nose, her forehead, and her chin. Just applying that all over so that she can glow. You know, I like it when my models glow. So in order to make everything balance and to get rid of this ashy powder and everything, I'll be applying the setting spray. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Suggest new looks for us to try, and then I'll be at your service. Bye.
Ke nake wa soyayya ta